Howdy, beautiful people. It's Spencer Wood, the Real Estate Cowboy. As always, Mr. Chili, Mr. Stumper here with us on site today in the town of Bridgton, Maine. We got an exciting opportunity for you guys to look at today. We got just over a 6-acre surveyed parcel of land in the town of Bridgton. You can see the survey marker down here on Bear Brook that we're looking at right now. We got 483 feet of owned waterfront on Bear Brook, which is behind me. Great little brook for some fishing. You can dunk your head underwater. The dogs may never come back out of this, but it's a really nice lot here, residential. We got power up on the road, the Waterfront Road, and we're just over a mile from downtown Harrison and Long Lake. The boat launch is literally, I think, 1.2 miles away to go access Long Lake and all the recreation that Harrison has to offer. Just down the road from Hawk Mountain and all the hiking and stuff that happens there. And again, we are right on the snowmobile trail here, so you got direct access to the snowmobile trail from this lot. We're looking at map 21, lot 4-1. Again, surveyed lot. We're looking at the pin down here. We got a lot to explore today. 6 acres packed with recreational fun, waterfront. The dogs are clearly loving it. Let's get to it. We're standing in Bear Brook, and this keeps getting better and better as you go into the property here. Boys just swam across it, but this is pretty deep right here. You can definitely swim this, float in the tube, do some fishing, like I said. 483 feet of owned frontage on Bear Brook. And we're looking at, again, map 21, lot 4-1 in the town of Bridgton, Maine. Just over the border from Harrison and Long Lake, like I said, which is one of the best recreational lakes in this area. Crystal Lake is right down the road too, so you're loaded with recreation down here. Some good job opportunities in the area, a lot of campgrounds and things like that as well. And like I said, once we kind of move through the lot, you're going to notice there's actually a lot of mature timber out here, from softwood to big oak and maple. So there's some really nice trees out here just from our quick walk that we're doing here on the waterfront side of things. But we're excited to keep showing you what we're bringing to the table. We're going to have a $110,000 asking price, just over $560 a year in annual property taxes. Again, it's surveyed. It's a really awesome opportunity for somebody to put a residential, full-time, year-round house, because out there on Route 35, aka the Waterfront Road, that is going to be a year-round paved, maintained road with power. There's pretty decent cell phone service here. You may need a little bit of a booster. We're in a little bit of a zone here, so for those of you that would, need that sort of stuff, you get your internet, your Starlink hooked up, you're going to be good to go. But again, you're just over a mile from downtown Harrison, which has ice cream shops, restaurants, gas stations. You could rent boats. There's little theaters, all sorts of stuff. Literally everything that you can need is right down the road. Pretty close to the New Hampshire border. Just under, probably a little over an hour, actually, a little over an hour from Portland, a couple hours away from Boston. So really great centralized location to access the Western Maine mountains, all the lakes and recreation that we have out here. And again, taking advantage of a 6-acre surveyed lot with all this great water frontage on Bear Brook with that maintained paved road up front there. But we got a really awesome little spot. Hope you guys are enjoying the tour so far. I'm going to see if I can get back over to you guys without falling into Bear Brook. And if I do, maybe that'll help sell this property. But I think I got it in me to not. Whoa. And what we're going to do now is walk up to the other side, or the other pin on the waterfront here. Then we're going to go through the interior of the lot and show you guys how mature the wood is on this property. Kind of give you an idea of how you could lay your house out, or however you want to do. There's no HOA. There's none of that sort of restriction on the property. I'm loving it. The dogs are loving it. You can see that it's deep enough that they're swimming and just enjoying their time out here. Nice little flow on Bear Brook, so let's get after it. So we're looking at the bottom left-hand corner of the lot. If we're looking up towards Route 35, the Waterfront Road, you can see the flagging right behind me. It pins in the ground right there. One thing I haven't mentioned is that Bear Brook is crystal clear. You can see every pebble on the bottom of this thing right now, so really clear, nice water, nice and cold too. The dogs have already soaked my pants with the Bear Brook water, and I can confirm it's still a little chilly. If you're looking to fish and hunt and hike and take advantage of all that, but still be a couple miles away from a grocery store and restaurants and all that sort of stuff, again, this is going to be a great year-round location for somebody to take advantage of everything out here in Bridgton, Maine. And without further ado, we're going to jump into the interior of this lot and climb our way up to Route 35, show you the mature wood that's out here. We're working our way through the interior of the lot, back up to Route 35 here. Quick little pit stop so you guys can see some of these mature pine trees that are on the lot here. 6-acre lot, again, surveyed, but honestly, some really nice mature wood out here. Little grove here of some big mature pine. I'm looking at some big maple and oak trees right behind you guys going in this direction. I'll kind of head over here. Some of these beech trees are kind of covering them up, but we'll show you a couple of these stands of these mature hardwood that are out here. Nice, gentle grade heading down towards Bear Brook from Route 35. The entire 6 acres is going to be really accessible. There's not like any cliffs or drop-offs or anything like that. So if you wanted to make a nice road or trail or something pretty much all the way down to the brook, you can do that. So here's a really nice, healthy, mature oak on the property, and there's a bunch of them sticking around here. So when you do kind of cut this property to put in your residential lot, build your house, whatever you want to do out here, you're going to really have some nice wood to cut and probably take advantage of in terms of like some accent pieces or some beams, however you want to do it. And this is another cool little thing. So you can kind of see right here is like a little seasonal gully essentially. So all that runoff that's coming down through the property is going to filter into this little stream right here. It's unnamed, and there's still a little bit of water that's actually moving through it, but not enough to really even look at. You can just kind of hear it and see a little bit of it underneath here. But it's kind of a nice little filtration system. Everything kind of comes down into this, goes down into Bear Brook, and you know, drains itself off of your property. We're also seeing a lot of deer sign. The dogs actually put up a turkey. It scared the crap out of me when he took off flying. So there's some turkeys down here, a lot of deer sign. I mean, they're going crazy, kind of looking for him right now. But 6-acre lot, but a mighty 6-acre lot. Nice wood, good recreation. The snowmobile trail is essentially right over where the blue skies are over there. That's a power line that is part of the snowmobile trail, so there's nobody over there on your left side. You're snuggled up against that. There's one neighbor over on the right side there, past the boundary a little ways. We're still working our way up to the top of the property here. Proof is in the pudding, folks. It's a nice rub right here. Looks like a pretty big deer moving through the property, making sure he's kind of marking his way through here. So again, a mighty 6 acres with a lot of recreational opportunity on top of a full-time residential house that can be out here. Power up above, paved, maintained road, $110,000 asking price, $560,000. $560,000 in taxes. I meant to say $560 in taxes. Map 21, lot 4-1. And you're seeing behind me here a lot of these nice mature oak trees. So some really nice hardwood, which is why we're not really surprised to see a lot of the deer sign and stuff out here. A lot of acorns falling, a lot of nice cover through here. They can essentially walk on the side of the power line that's over there, conceal themselves, but still have a nice opportunity with access to the water down there. Another pit stop on our way to Route 35. This is that little seasonal stream that I was talking about. It's unnamed, but it's moving along decent. It's got a little flow to it. You can see some ripples. So it could be moving year round. Again, something simple, something to kind of look at, something to landscape around if you're building your house out here. Definitely a nice little feature for the animals, the wildlife that's out here. Take advantage of, along with all the cover and stuff like that. I hope you guys are seeing a lot of this mature wood that's out here. A lot more hardwood than softwood. Seeing some really great maple, some really great oak out here. And again, I hope you guys are enjoying the tour. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that great stuff. We appreciate everybody's support. It's pretty much the only way that I can feed these dogs. So thanks again. Stump is having a real good time. So let's keep moving forward, and we'll get up there to Route 35, show you what that road frontage looks like. Nice and quiet, paved road front. And we'll kind of recap everything that I've already said 10 times, but I'm sure at this point, and you guys following us, that you know I'm a big repeater. But we'll get up there, we'll show you what the road frontage looks like. We made our way up to Route 35, aka the Waterfront Road. We're standing on the snowmobile trail right now. You can see that we're on ITS 89. So you can see the access that you have to so many places and things to do out here right from the property. You're entering the Harrison Trail system. You got Harrison, Hawk Mountain, Norway, Waterfront, Crystal Lake. You got all the access to services. So pretty much right from the property on a snowmobile, you can go as far and as long as you want to go. This is not an ATV trail. You can also use this to walk and stuff. Really nice little kind of path to walk on. These are the power lines that we're dealing with. They're not the big extreme metal ones and all that sort of stuff. There's no sound coming off them or anything like that. Alrighty, beautiful people. Route 35, aka the Waterfront Road right here. You see the power above, you see the paved road, maintained, rather quiet. I mean, there's a couple cars that are going by, but this is by no means a super busy road that you're hearing a lot of trucks and traffic roll through. Snowmobile trail is right over there where the power line's going through. Again, we're looking at map 21, lot 4-1. We're standing on your 250 feet of owned road frontage here, so super easy access to build into this lot. And before I really say goodbye to you guys, what we're going to do is jump in the truck, drive a mile down the road, show you Long Lake and the boat launch down there, and we'll blow you a kiss goodbye. So let's go jump in the truck and check that out. Alrighty folks, welcome to Long Lake. We're out here standing on the public boat launch. There's also the public Long Lake beach and little dock that's over there, just over a mile away from the property on Route 35. So this is going to be an unbelievable opportunity for you guys to take advantage of the summer weather out here. Long Lake is the second largest lake in southern Maine, Cumberland County. They call it Long Lake because it's 11 miles long. There's over 5,300 acres of lake here. This is a glacier-formed lake, so it's cold water, it's deep. There's a lot of fishing. You can see all the boats and all the docks and stuff behind us here. This is downtown Harrison right behind us, so if you're interested in grabbing an ice cream, going out to eat, grabbing a beer, something like that, you could literally walk, ride your bike, or have a short drive into everything that you're gonna need and have fun and access to in the summer. So there's gonna be some really good Airbnb aspect to whatever you build over there. But this is an amazing body of water. Again, the second largest lake in southern Maine. It's a big one, and you're literally just over a mile away from the public boat launch. So without further ado, $110,000 asking price, $560 a year in annual property taxes, map 21, lot 4-1, surveyed 6-acre lot up there off of Route 35, 483 feet of owned waterfront on Bear Brook. You got the electric, you got paved road front, really amazing opportunity to take advantage of the recreation out here. We hope everybody enjoyed the tour today. So without further ado, you know what to do. Call the cowboy and we'll see you on down the road at the next one. Giddy up.